What's up, VCG family? This is Norm here with another tool buy review. I like the tool. It's a Lenox, actually it's a Lenox jab saw. Although right now I have the metal cutting blade in it because I needed to cut a pipe. We were doing a job and we needed a hacksaw, but neither one of us had a hacksaw, so we went to, actually Lowe's is where I got this from. They don't sell it in the deeps, but they do sell it at Lowe's. And I had seen it before, and since I needed a hacksaw, I thought this would be a good buy, and it worked very well because the reason I thought it would be a good buy is because of the fact that this is actually a SAWZALL blade. It takes SAWZALL blades. So whenever this blade gets dull, I can grab one of my SAWZALL blades and put in it. To be honest with you, I lost my jab saw blade for it, or I didn't lose it, I just don't know where it is. But like I said, one of the reasons why I got it is because this is just a regular Milwaukee SAWZALL blade. Put it in, tighten it down, and now I got my jab saw. And I couldn't find the blade that came with it, but any SAWZALL blade will work. Another feature that I like about it, and when we were cutting the piece of pipe, just so I could have a little bit more leverage, I changed the angle and cut like that instead of cutting the straight way with a jab saw. But you can change the angles and cut like sort of like a regular saw, hand saw. So I used it that way to cut the metal pipe that I needed to cut. And then it folds up and you put it away. And that's one of the main reasons why I had seen it before and never got it, because I already have jab saws that I like, and I didn't want to spend the extra money just to have one that folds. But that folding feature is really nice, because instead of having the jab saw that long sticking up out of your bag, and it can poke you and poke the bag and cause the bag to rip and tear, you fold it up and put it away, and that's just the handle. So it saves wear and tear on your bags. It's easier to store because it's much smaller to store. It even has a little ring on it, so you can hook it to stuff if you want to. You can put it on the rope. Just so you can see, it's just a regular SAWZALL blade. The handle, I don't know why I would need a jab saw that big, but it works. It just, as long as you have a SAWZALL blade, you have a sharp blade available. So if I had to, I actually could go all the way through, and it's a tool that saves you in a pinch. I actually will cut wood too. Let's try the other SAWZALL blade in there. It's a good all-around tool to have with you, because in a pinch, works on metal, works on wood. And it basically do the same thing on drywall. But I think all of this, what this all really shows is it's a very versatile saw. All you need is get you a pack of different types of SAWZALL blades. With this handle, you can use this saw for pretty much anything. Well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you aren't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell for notifications. Peace.
Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.